Excuse me, can you help me? Sure, what are you looking for? Actually, I need rice, but I'm not sure which one to buy. There are so many options. Are you looking for basmati, brown rice, or regular white rice? Basmati rice. I usually buy a small packet, maybe 1 or 2 kilo. You will find 1 kg and 2 kg packs on second shelf in aisle 4. Thank you. And also, where can I find fresh vegetables? Fresh vegetables are at the back of the store near the dairy section. Alright, I also need milk and curd. Are they in the same area? Yes, milk, curd, butter and cheese are all in the refrigerated section just beside the vegetables. Great! Do you also sell reusable bags? Yes, we do. They are available at the billing counter. Okay, one last thing. Can I pay with my card? Yes, we accept all the major cards and also UPI payments. Perfect. Thanks a lot for your help. You're very welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.